Hey guys, welcome back. Nick here, registered licensed architect in the US. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial. I'm in Revit 2024. This tutorial has to do with grid renumbering and a very simple, and honestly I wish I knew about it earlier, amazing process to change grid numbers, whether that's letters or numbers. You can do both. So first you need to download pyrevit. You can go to GitHub to do that and just find the latest version of pyrevit and download that. Very simple and straightforward to get that downloaded. And once you do that, go ahead and pause this. And once that's done, hop back into this video and we'll get started here. So once you have pyrevit downloaded in whatever version of Revit you're in, it doesn't matter. You should have it here in the same location, basically on the top ribbon where my mouse is, called pyrevit. You're going to click there. And first off, right now I'm just in a basic sample project with a roof plan that I put together. It doesn't matter which view you do this in. You can do this in a floor plan, a roof plan, any orthogonal, any sort of cut plane plan where you're looking at the grids. So this is a pretty small project, so there's not a ton of grids. There's what I have here is just, as you can see, 1 through 7, X to Y, and then A through G. 1 through 7 in the X and A through G in the Y plane there. And what I want to do on this is I'm actually just, for this tutorial, I'm going to change all this from 1 to 7 to be letters on the X. And I don't know why, I just want it. And then I want numbers on the Y instead of letters. So I'm basically just swapping these out so that letters are on the X and numbers are on the Y. It's a very quick process. I'll show you how quick this is. I wish I knew about this way sooner than I did because it's awesome and pyrevit's awesome. So I know I have a lot of pyrevit videos and you can watch those because there's a lot of great features. And but yeah, let's get started. So basically all you're gonna do, click pyrevit and go over here to this button which says renumber. Once you click that, you're going to click grids. Click on grids. Watch how easy this is. This is caps lock recorded. So if you want your grids in lowercase, go ahead and put a lowercase a. However, I want my grids to be uppercase and starting with a per normal. So I'm going to do that. Hit A, hit OK. And now just read up top. I always read these, if it's a new tool for me. But pick grids one by one, escape to end, pretty straightforward. pyrevit always does kind of like mentions the steps direction to take in this orange bar at the top. At least it does for me. So in this version. So I'm gonna just go ahead and click once, twice, 3 times, and down the line, watching as those change to letters. As you'll see, as those change, these have changed as well. These it basically goes to the next A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I'm not sure why H got switched there. It doesn't really matter, but it changes these as you go, even though you're just updating the X. I'm going to escape because I'm done. I got A through G. I'm going to escape there, and then I'm going to change these in the Y as well. Same thing, grids, start with 1, okay? Because I'm starting with 1 at the top here, top left. And I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there it is, easy as that. I just changed that in less than 30 seconds and I was doing a tutorial on it, so you should be able to do this in 10 seconds, depending on how many grids you have, right? But that was way quicker than having to renumber these by hand. Usually you would have to go 1, enter, sorry, put 1, you would have to click on the grid like this, change that to a 1, hit enter, and watch this. The name is already in use. There's the warning, you must enter a unique name. So you're going to get that warning and you're going to have to change all these first from, this is all if you don't use this tool in pyrevit. You got to change all these to like 11 first, 12, whatever, and then you can, because Revit only allows you to have one of a unique grid name. You can't have multiples. You can't have duplicates. So that's why you're going to have to change these individually and keep going up, and then change these to 1, 2, so you don't get that warning every time. Look how slow this is. It is so methodical. 4, I haven't changed that over there yet. I'm going to get a warning. Great. So slow and just annoying. So I'm going to go Control Z a couple times so we get this back to the way we wanted it, which is right there. So that's how that's done. Really simple process. Pyrevit is amazing. If you haven't checked it out, go ahead and download that and check it out. If you have any questions, go ahead and hit that submit and like button if you enjoyed this video and you got something out of it. And then submit your questions down below. I'll get to them when I can. Thanks.